Hey, Granddad is in the dentist now. He's not feeling too good.
Joe, give me my
your
book. I can even tell this is a girl's book by the front cover.
Why do you have to be so ungrateful, Granddad?
But seriously, instead of buying me a book this time, buy me some new teeth.
Shut up or I'll tell the dentist to knock your teeth out.
Maybe I should do that to you.
Is this dentist gonna come or not?
Are you ready, Grandpa Joe? I can't believe you did this to me again.
It's gonna be fine.
It's the rapist.
Just get your teeth out.
Hello. Oh, we meet again. What a coincidence. We meet again. What a coincidence. Okay, so let me have a look at your teeth. Open wide. Wider. My jaws don't work well.
Stay calm, Granddad.
I can't do this anymore.
Granddad!
Joe!
What is she doing?
Joe!
Wackadoodle!
Joe, I'm gonna kill you.
No, it's not my fault, Granddad. Why do you have to kill me?
This book. Get out of my vision!
Ah!